Alright, how's everybody doing today? This is actually pretty small enough to fit in my mailbox. I wasn't even expecting that, so... Yeah, this is a diesel that I bought that I sort of, well, kind of don't want to say replace, but it's from my Santa Fe GP38 that I bought from my friend that I work with, if I can get it open. Oh yeah, there's more tape right here. If I can get the cutting direction right. Sorry if you guys can't see it very well. There we go. Now both sides are cut. There we go. This thing opens now, and there it is. Alright, there's an address in here, so I'll quickly move that aside. Right, and the model is in here, so stuffed it really good. It's pretty nice. Alright, and there it is. This one is number 3600, which is good. Yeah. Excuse me. Now I bought this because this is the one that I bought off eBay. And this is the one that I bought from my friend. This one's not really working. All you can see is the light. I'm still trying to look into it, but yeah. And this one like I said, bought off eBay. It's kind of unusual middle wheels here. These might pick up power. Yeah, this one's a driven wheel right here, as I'm assuming. By lifelike, yeah, might have to see if I can oil these wheels maybe. I don't know. It's missing a front coupler, I noticed. Yeah, oh well. Probably won't be using it for front. Yeah, it's missing a little pocket. I can see that. Yeah. I feel some loose in this. This is the one I bought off my friend. That's why here's the mess loose. Alright. Well, no matter. Let's test this out. Right, excuse that one right there. This is the one I bought from my friend, and I got a train on here already because I was too lazy to put it back last night. But we'll put the new GP38 on. So, give us apply power. Doesn't move. All right. Well. Might need a little bit of waking up. Don't want to give it too much voltage. Well, it does work, which is a really good sign. All it needs is a good maintenance. Alright. I think we'll get these cars out of the way. You can't see them all because they're off screen. I'll show you anyway. So here are the cars. Yes, my table is still a mess. So that's all the cars I have on this track. So give me a second to clear off the layout, and I will see if I can get that engine running. Right, I got the track cleared. Probably should get some other stuff out of the way, but other than that, I got it cleared, so let's see if we can get this thing some power without forcing it, because it may need a little bit of a service. Yeah. Alright, it's going. Alright, I'm not going to force it, so I'm going to see if I can maybe look at this thing for a little bit, because it does look like it does need a good service. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna have a look at this thing. So it's been an hour and 15 minutes since I last saw you. After losing a couple gears, and not too frustrated with it, but it was pretty easy to do, and you will notice that a truck frame is missing. That is because while I was trying to put it back together, I accidentally broke it. It doesn't look like it is, but there's a super glue mark if you can see it right there. So I'll have to look at that at some point and put it back on. So now, watch this. It runs a whole lot better. That I'm really happy for. What's even really good about this thing, the current draw is really low, so that is really good thing for a vintage engine like this. So yeah, I am very happy with that. I did have to replace the gears on this from the other engine right here. I'm actually going to use this as a dummy anyway, so it's no big deal really. Might have to replace the light too, because the light on this one isn't working for some odd reason, but oh well, no big deal. Alright, I have this thing, small train of boxcars that I bought from my friend there. That came with the engine that is identical to this, but a different cab number. Yeah, ignore the fact that it's missing a truck. I'm still repairing that at the moment. But let's see it haul its first train in a number of years. Doesn't have a good slow speed, but it's lifelike. I think it's cut out. Alright. Now. Yeah. I bet it's happy. So that'll just about wrap it up for today's video. I do hope you guys enjoyed. I most certainly enjoyed it. I did enjoy working on this thing. I am very happy with this engine. I really am. So yeah, that'll conclude the video. I'll probably do another video of me turning this engine into a dummy unit. So yeah, look out for that one. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Alright, take care everybody, and I'll let this engine go by one last time. There we go.